To add a boomerang on Instagram, start by opening the Instagram app and navigating to the camera screen. You can do this by swiping right from the home screen or tapping the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the camera screen, you will see several options at the bottom, including normal photo, video, reels, and more. Tap the Reels option and then swipe across the options at the bottom to find the Boomerang feature. The Boomerang feature is represented by a boomerang icon and is usually located next to the Reels option. Tap the boomerang icon to activate the feature. After activating the boomerang feature, you can record a short video by holding down the record button. The boomerang will automatically loop the video back and forth to create a fun and engaging effect. You can customize your boomerang by adding music, text, or drawings to make it more interesting. To add music, tap the music icon at the top of the screen and select a song from the music library. To add text or drawings, tap the text or drawing icon at the top of the screen and type in your text or draw on the screen. After customizing your boomerang, you can post it on your Instagram feed or story. To post it on your feed, tap the share button at the bottom of the screen and select the feed option. To post it on your story, tap the share button at the bottom of the screen and select the story option. You can also save your boomerang to your camera roll by tapping the save button at the bottom of the screen. This way, you can share it on other social media platforms or use it later. Some best practices for creating boomerangs on Instagram include keeping it short and sweet, using good lighting, and being creative with your content. You can also use boomerangs to showcase your products or services, provide tutorials, or share behind-the-scenes footage. By following these steps and tips, you can create engaging and fun boomerangs on Instagram that will help you connect with your audience and grow your online presence.